Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, I hope you are all very well by the mercy of Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also very well. And today is the fourth day of my English speaking practice video making journey. And today I will talk about the importance of Salah. Salah is the most important pillar in Islam after Iman and after Shahada. Our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says the difference between a Muslim and a non-Muslim is the Salah. Salah make difference between a Muslim and a non-Muslim. So now we can imagine how much important the Salah in our life if you are a Muslim in your life. Salah save us from the bad thing every time, and Salah keep us connected to Allah every day 5 times. That means when you pray Salah, you are talking to Allah, you are talking to Almighty Allah when you are praying Salah. And when I pray Salah, I feel peace in my heart, because that means I'm talking to my Allah, and it's a amazing feeling. It's a very beautiful feeling. And Salah, it's a key of success, because Salah, it's make you healthy, and it's make you be consistent. You are pray Salah every day 5 times at the same time. That means you are very consistent people. You are very consistent man, right? So Salah is the most important and most powerful tools in our life for success in this world and after our die. As a Muslim, I believe this thing. So every day you must have to pray Salah for 5 times, because it is farz. Farz means you must have to pray, otherwise you will be punished. So I do not want to make it more longer, and if I say some sentence about Salah, so if I say true, please accept my thing, and if I say wrong, just comment on the comment box and say to me what's the thing I say wrong. I will accept my wrong, and I want to try to talk right thing in front of you. And may Allah bless all of us, and keep us regular in our Salah in our life. So take yourself and try to do something good for yourself, for your family, for your society, for your country, and for this world also. And today I want to finish this video and take yourself. See you in the next video and day 5 inshaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.